Crunch Fat Clean friends. Thanks for being here. I own a cleaning business in the lovely Pocono Mountains, and I love sharing tips and tricks. And here is a business tip for you. If you own a cleaning business, I would hope that you have a Facebook business page. If you do not have a Facebook business page, stop complaining that you can't find clients. I'm not saying that's the only reason why you can't find clients, but not having an active, free social media page can make a big difference. How do you make a Facebook business page? Easy, just Google it, Facebook business page. So you have your Facebook personal page. I'm not talking about a personal page. I don't need to know about Jane Doe. I want to know about Jane's Cleaning. Let's say I live in your area and I'm looking for a cleaning service. Do you know that a lot of people will go on Facebook to look for a local service? That's just the world that we live in. It's all about social media. Nobody's driving around looking for a billboard on the side of a highway anymore. No one's going to a grocery store and look at that bulletin board full of thumbtacks and business cards. Good luck with that. Nobody really does that. And if they do, okay, that's rare, but the majority of people use social media. And with social media, you're looking at free advertising. Why are you not using it? If you see me here on TikTok, this is my free advertising right here. I mean, free in the sense that I still have to pay my phone bill, right, for data. But the point is this, I'm reaching millions of people, or maybe a couple thousand, whatever it is. I'm reaching people on my TikTok. I'm reaching people on my Facebook business page. I'm reaching people on Instagram, on YouTube, Twitter. I'm not on Twitter, but you know what I'm saying. You have to use free social media platforms. If you have a website that you pay for, that's even better. But if you don't, and you don't have a Facebook business page, stop complaining you're not finding clients and start being proactive. How will a possible client find you if you are not on social media? Because people do use Facebook. They use Google. They will use maybe Yelp or Angie's. But those you have to pay for. So I'm talking about free social media. Facebook is a big one. If on your personal Facebook page, you mention nothing about owning a cleaning business, you have not one post about whatever business you run, you don't have anything linked to your name, you don't have a Facebook business page on your personal page, how would I know that you own a cleaning business? You're losing out on attracting clients by not utilizing free social media. So start making a business page, start posting on it every day, 2 to 3 times a day, 5, 6, 7 days a week. Post, 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 post. You have to be consistent when you run a business. Why do we need so many Coca-Cola commercials? Don't we know who Coca-Cola is and what they make? But yet here we go. Every month there's a new Coca-Cola commercial. We'll start off January, New Year's, Coca-Cola, Diet Coke for New Year's resolutions, whatever. February, Valentine's Day, Coca-Cola, romantic, love, soda. March, spring, Coca-Cola, flowers are blooming, spring break, Coca-Cola. April, Coca-Cola with Easter bunnies and food. May, Memorial Day weekend, big one, Coca-Cola. June, you're going into the summer, you got barbecues, Coca-Cola. July, 4th of July, Coca-Cola. August, beach, Coca-Cola. September, back to school, you need a Coca-Cola, a rum and Coke. October, Halloween, Coca-Cola. November, Thanksgiving, Coca-Cola. December, you got the Clydesdales, you got the polar bears, Coca-Cola. Did you see something there? It's called repetition. Repeat, repeat, repeat until it's ingrained in the person's brain. You need to do that with your cleaning business. You need to post so much, not to be spammy, obviously, not every 3 seconds, but you need to post often enough that people will see Jane Doe Cleaning and know that Jane Doe is Jane Doe Cleaning, and Jane Doe Cleaning does this type of cleaning, or is this wonderful of a cleaner, or is located in this area, so that when somebody asks on a mom group or a dad group or whatever kind of Facebook group, I'm looking for a cleaner, complete strangers will tag you. Oh, Jane Doe Cleaner, here's your Facebook page. Boom, free advertising. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Utilize free advertising. The time you take to post about, I can't find anybody, is the time you should be taking to post and advertise your business and get it out to the masses. It will take time. It doesn't happen in 3 seconds, but you have to keep at it. You have to keep at it. You have to keep at it. How many push-up bras do we need from Victoria's Secret? Every 3 days, there's a new push-up bra. They all do the same thing. They push up. How many push-up bras do? But guess what? They will keep making them. Why? Because every 10 years, there's a new girl that is entering puberty and she wants a push-up bra. There's always going to be a new client. There's always going to be a new customer. People are born every day. So in 10, 15, 20 years, they're going to be your clients or your customers. So whether it's a cleaning business or you sell a product, constantly advertise, utilize social media to the best of your abilities. And if you don't know what to post, just post jokes. Make it something funny. Make it something about your business. Make it something about you. There's so many things you could be posting. I can make another video about that if you want to know. But in the meanwhile, do your homework. Make a Facebook business page. Make an Instagram page. Make a TikTok channel just for your cleaning business. Utilize social media, and the clients will eventually find you, and then you could start making more money. All right, that's my tips. Follow along for more Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy on my YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and my website, crunchycleaningbyKathy.com.